You're listening to True Stories of Air Traffic Control, brought to you by FAA Communications. On August 30th, 2020, pilot John Tougas had just taken off from Naples, Florida, when his leased Beechcraft Bonanza 33 experienced a sudden loss in power, and the engine began vibrating the airframe violently.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Bonanza 1957 Lima, emergency aircraft. I need to land.
Harry Kaufman, a controller at Jacksonville Tracon, was working more than 10 other flights simultaneously as he began to calmly help the distressed pilot.
97 Lima, Roger, Jackson International. It's here about 4 miles northwest of your position. You can have runway 32 up and advise if you need any assistance.
Kaufman vectored Tougas towards the airport as he ascertained the nature of the problem and provided him with weather information. Dense cloud cover down to 600 feet.
060, I got engine loss.
97 Lima, if you just want to continue towards the field and try to pick up the field visually, the suggest setting 320 helps you your discretion. 97 Lima, descend maintain 1,700.
97 Lima, Roger, I'm a glider.
Tougas was troubleshooting the problem while descending toward runway 32. He executed the loss of power procedures, switched fuel tanks, enriched the fuel mixture, and turned the boost pump on. He had plenty of fuel, but was it contaminated or the wrong type? The prop stopped spinning as he descended into the clouds.
97 Lima, we turned all the lights up at Jackson International and that's setting you up for about 3 miles from runway 32 at Jackson International.
97 Lima.
Kaufman helped the pilot stay on track as he glided the Bonanza through the clouds toward the runway, about a mile ahead. Fellow controllers managed the other flights, and pilots in the vicinity remained clear of the gliding aircraft.
97 Lima, once I make the turn, it'll be setting you up straight in for runway 32. 97 Lima, you're clear to land any runway you need. You're setting up for straight in 32, right over the approach end right now.
Kaufman transmitted just as Tougas broke out of the clouds.
97 Lima, you should be just over the approach end now for runway 32.
Tougas arrived overhead of the runway at 900 feet, too high to make a safe landing straight ahead. He applied his glider training to execute a tight 360-degree left turn over the runway, bringing himself back into alignment at the normal threshold crossing height of about 50 feet. He made a clean touchdown and taxied clear with no damage to the aircraft. When asked about his experience, Tougas said the following about the help he received from Kaufman.
That guy deserves a huge award, and it was a true save.
You've been listening to True Stories of Air Traffic Control.